Hello, Cash Flow Kings. It's incredible to have you back. Thanks for sticking around. Today, I'm thrilled to share a unique method that might just redefine your online earnings. Ready to make up to $800 a day? Let's break this down. First, what you'll need is ultra simple. A Google Translate account and a way to receive payments, like PayPal. Setting up on Google Translate is a breeze. Just head to their site, pick the languages you need, and you're set. Now let's dive into the juicy part, CPA Grip. It's a CPA marketing platform where you earn by promoting specific actions. Here's how to get started. Sign up for free on CPA Grip. Explore and select from over 2,000 offers. Copy the referral links. Next, integrate these links into your Google Translate interactions or any platform you use. Imagine this. You translate content from English to Spanish. Your users see and complete CPA Grip offers on your site. With just a 5% conversion rate from 8,000 visitors, you're looking at $800 a day. Wrapping up, combining Google Translate with CPA Grip isn't just lucrative, it's a scalable and globally accessible way to boost your income online. So if you're pumped to start earning, hit like, share, and subscribe. Not a cash flow king yet? Change that by subscribing now. Thanks for your support, and let's kickstart this exciting money-making journey together.